welcome. This is me, JV Rose, singing vegan mum, and well, it's Halloween night, but I think Halloween has been cancelled because of all this COVID. In fact, it's Saturday night. We've just heard the news that we're going to go into lockdown, which is really, really sad. So I'm doing a little bit of a nod to Halloween, and as you can see, I have a lovely Halloween display. My neighbour gave me some beautiful flowers, Bridget. What I've also done because of Halloween, I have made a pumpkin smoothie. It is absolutely delicious. Inside this has got avocado, it's got cashew nut, pumpkin, plant milk, and it is delicious. Now I'm going to bring a lovely young man called Kwasi. You're going to come and try it for me. Let's give it a go, Kwasi. Tell me what you think of this beautiful puree. So come, there you go. This is Kwasi, he's going to try it for me. Shall I get you a spoon? Yeah, I want to get a second, Kwasi. This smoothie is so thick and rich that we need a spoon. So, Kwasi.
Really good.
What makes it really good? What does it taste like to you?
The cream.
The cream. Oh, that's Afua. Afua says the cream. Is that all? What about the actual pumpkin smoothie?
Yeah. It tastes kind of like pumpkin.
It tastes like cake butter. Okay, you mean cake batter?
Yeah, I like the flavour.
I like the flavour. Okay, lovely. You can go with it. It's fine. So, Kwasi, he loves my lovely, lovely, lovely puree. But I'm going to make a burger from jackfruit, and I've jerked it. It's very simple. It's Halloween night. I want to make quick, simple meals. And tonight, what we're going to do, we're not going to have a Halloween party. We're going to have a Hallelujah party. That's what's happening tonight, guys. So listen, hang on also to the very end where you'll see highlights of my week. This is how I made my jerk burger. So we have our bread. How lovely that looks. Look how lovely. I'm going to put loads of that on there. And then we're going to build it up. A little bit of onions. Couple of tomatoes, some cucumber, some lettuce, and of course some vegan mayo. And there, jackfruit burger. So it's been a busy week. It's half term. I've not been around as much for my kids this week. This is what happened. Ain't nobody tell you how. Say what you wanna do. you've been told. So I'm in the studio, and guess who's in the session with me? I'm going to show you Mr. Wayne Marshall. I'm doing a lovely video for you. And I hear when you got a tune coming out soon.
Yes, we have a tune, we have a rhythm, and just doing a video at the moment.
Oh.
It's going to be crazy. It's called I Kneel For You.
Oh.
Look out for it.
Okay, so guys, you heard it first, exclusive. Yeah, the wonderful Mr. Wayne Marshall's got something coming out. When's it coming, Wayne?
Yeah, you know, I've got a name change, right? My name's going to be Marshane.
Oh, so now it's called Marshane. I like that, Marshane. So Marshane, when's it coming?
Oh,
it's Christmas, November.
Listen, listen to talking like that.
See how he's here? I'm just innocently going, when is the tune coming? He's there going, when's it coming? I'm not willing.
The tune is out soon. It'll be out very soon.
Okay, so
very shortly.
It's coming out shortly, yeah? We'll overlook that, right? Marshane though, right? Marshane.
Marshane.
Marshane. The parking situation has gone crazy. So we've parked for 2 hours. Now we've got to come out quickly, move the car, and all that good stuff, because, you know, otherwise ticket and techwear car gone. Yesterday I was recording some more for my stuff, and today I'm recording a song I wrote for a group that I work with called Clean Break. I'm enough. I'm enough. It's pouring with rain and I'm on my way home. I don't know what I'm going to do because I promised the children an activity. Well, I don't know. I was going to take them to pictures or something, but I forgot the clocks that go forward, so it's getting dark and miserable.
Entering average speed check zone.
Oh dear. So let's see what they decide. So guys, I've come home and it was raining. We couldn't really get to do go out and watch a film, so we're here watching, gosh, what are we watching?
Charlie and
the Chocolate Factory. And tomorrow I promised them I am not going out to do no singing studio session, and we're gonna go pictures or do something nice. Is that a plan?
I'd rather go to Dad.
Oh, they might go to their dads. Which is fine by me, but I thought we wanted to hang out with mummy too. Do you hang out with your mummy? Yes, so they want to hang out with mummy, but they might go dads too. Am I a bad mummy or good mummy?
Good mummy.
The best mummy. This child here, the best mummy. Yeah. What about this child? Am I the good mummy or a bad mummy?
The worst mummy.
See that? Oh, I'm the worst mummy. I'm gonna have to work on this business. So guys, look, this is the final result of my burger. Really easy, and it feels really meaty. If you miss meat in your life, you've just turned vegan, try this. You want a quick food, I bought this from Aldi, this tin of jackfruit, really cheap, 99p. Put some jerk seasoning on it, put it in the burger. We love it, the kids love it, and it feels nice. You can add chips to it, you can do what you like, but it's lovely, and you feel like you're eating a good old hearty meal. So guys, give this a try. I'm not going to eat this because my lipstick will just go blur and the look will just go blur. So guys, please give my recipe a try. I hope you've enjoyed this week's recipe, and you might even give this a go. The pepper from the jerk seasoning is still licking me. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my journey, and I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe. So for healthy vegan options, look, I'm your girl.